Hello, we are Eunite from SMK Bintulu, Sarawak. My name is Petronila Welomenalus.
My name is Hei Huan Yi.
My name is Sherry Ann.
I'm Clara Amanda.
Woo!
Don't you just hate it when there's an inconvenience in your life that you can fix, such as broken toilet doors in school?
Many students complain about toilet stalls being unable to lock as they tend to be misaligned or faulty.
This leads to students to go to the toilet in pairs to help their friends to keep the door closed, such as this one. Are you waiting for someone? Yes.
More often than that, this will waste a lot of time for the student that's helping out, causing them to miss out on the lessons that teacher is teaching in class. Other than that, teachers also complain about how there are many people going to the toilet all at once.
So, to overcome this problem, we have come up with a smart solution. Introducing
Somebody!
It functions to hold the door closed for you. There are two suction cups on the opposite sides. One suction cup can be attached to the wall, while the other can be attached to the door, which will form a tight seal to keep it closed.
It is also small and compact, making it easily pocketable to be brought anywhere.
You don't have to kacau your friends anymore. Just use somebody and
Be free from worry!
This is our product sketch. We only need 4 materials to make this simple contraption that can be found in any Mr. DIY stores. Those materials are suction cups, ribbon, and a storage container for simple storing and hygiene. This is all comes to a total of just 6 ringgit and 45 cents. It is simple and cheap to make it yourself.
And not only that, but since it's bought in packs, that means you can make extra for your friends as well, so that we can all be secured in places where locks are broken.
That's all from us.
Thank you!